Good morning, Montfortians. I hope you all are great. Let us understand the chapter 11, Growing Up. Students, your chapter 11, Growing Up, is all about when you grow up, what do you want to become? What are your aims, goals, and wishes in life? So, in this chapter, there are three children, Nemi, Urvi, and Putul, who discussed about their goals and wishes in life. So let us understand this chapter. Nemi, Urvi and Putul were playing in Putul's room. Students, Nemi is a boy and Urvi and Putul both are girls. You have to remember, Nemi is the name of a boy and Urvi and Putul both are girls. So Nemi, Urvi and Putul were playing in Putul's room. Every Saturday morning, the three friends would meet and play in Putul's house. If one of the trio was unable to come, the other two friends were very upset. They were happiest when they were sitting next to each other and playing. So in this paragraph, they are telling you that there were three friends, Nemi, Urvi and Putul. They were like best friends. They used to play every Saturday morning. Now you have to remember on which day they used to play. That was Saturday morning. So they used to play, they would meet and play in Putul's house. If one of the trio was unable to come, trio means a group of three people. Students, when we have to talk about three persons, we will say this is a trio. That a group of three persons. So if one of them from Nemi, Urvi and Putul, if they were unable to come, if one of them unable to come, the other two friends, they felt very unhappy. That is sad. But they were happiest when they were sitting next to each other. So they were happiest when they were together. When they can play, they could have fun. So at that time they were happiest. Move on to the next paragraph. Nemi loved to play with building blocks and Lego bricks. He spent hours making tall buildings and bridges. He would stack them slowly one on top of the other, making little cities. Sometimes his friends helped him, at other times he built them by himself. So Nemi, who was a boy, he loved to play with building blocks and Lego bricks. Students, Lego bricks is a plastic brick or a plastic block with which you can play. It is like a toy with which you can play. Can you see in this picture? See, three of them, Nemi, Urvi and Putul, they are playing with blocks and Lego bricks. What they are doing? They are having these blocks and they are making tall buildings, bridges. They are putting them one on the top of other. So Nemi loved to play with building blocks and Lego bricks. He used to make tall buildings and bridges. Stack means to put one on the top of other. That is piling. Students, when you keep one thing over the other, that is stacking. So in the same way, they were putting the bricks on one on the top of the other. They were making little cities, buildings, bridges like this. Sometimes his friends helped him. When he was alone, that time he was making himself, but when he was with his friends, that time his friends were also helping him. One Saturday, Urvi was watching her friend build a skyscraper. Students, skyscraper is a tall building. If you are able to, you can see the tall building anywhere, that you will say it's a skyscraper. That is a very tall building. So on one Saturday, Urvi was watching her friend build a skyscraper. He was being very careful so that it did not fall down. So when Urvi was watching Nemi that how he was building the very tall building, he was very careful that not even a single block will fall down. So Urvi was watching her friend Nemi. Nemi, what do you want to be when you grow up? Urvi asked him. So now Urvi is asking to Nemi that what do you want to become when you grow up? Nemi stopped at what he was doing to think. So now Nemi stopped doing. Nemi was playing with building blocks and Lego bricks. But at that time, he stopped. Whatever he was doing, he stopped at that time. Why? Just to think. When Urvi asked Nemi that what do you want to become? That time Nemi stopped because he want to think that what I want to become. And he replied, I want to be a builder. Then I can build houses and offices all the time with real bricks. Mummy says I can become an architect, said Nemi. So now what did Nemi said? Nemi said that I want to be a builder, that I want to become a builder so that I can build houses, offices, buildings. He can build the bridges also with real bricks. Now he is thinking of the reality, not with the toys. He wants to build these houses and offices with real bricks. And his mama also says that he can become an architect. Next paragraph. It's not architect, silly, it's architect, Urvi explained. So now when Nemi was telling that mama says that he can become an architect, that time Urvi said that it's not architect, you have to pronounce it correctly. The word is architect. An architect is a person who designs buildings. Now Urvi is telling to Nemi that architect is a person who designs buildings. That means who makes the drawing firstly, that how it will be done, how it will be the structure of the building, how it will be. Then they build the buildings. He decides when they will look like and then builds them. Move on to the next page. I watched a program on TV yesterday night with my brother on what architects do. Did you know that they can even design underwater bridges? Now Urvi is telling to Nemi that I have watched a television show with my brother on what architects do. And then Urvi was explaining that you know that architects can also design underwater bridges. But you know students, after listening to this thing that underwater bridges, Nemi got really shocked that how a person can build the underwater bridges. Underwater means down the water, inside the water. Really? Nemi asked, wide-eyed. That sounds really difficult. Do they have to swim in the water to build them? Now Nemi was shocked after listening this, that someone can build the underwater bridges also. Nemi was shocked after listening to this. He said, do they have to swim in the water to build them? Now he was getting confused. He was having the question in the mind that a person have to swim when they have to build the underwater bridges. No, they use machines. It is very interesting, said Urvi. So now Urvi explained to Nemi that no, they don't have to swim. They have to use the machines to make the underwater bridges. Nemi thought for a moment. Urvi, do you know what you want to be when you grow up? He asked. So now Nemi was thinking and then he asked to Urvi. Now students, Nemi is asking to Urvi that what do you want to become when you grow up? Yes, I want to be a chef. I like to help mummy with baking. One day I want to cook like the chefs on the cookery shows on TV, replied Urvi. When Urvi said that I want to become a chef. Students, chef is the person who cooks food. His or her profession is only this, that they will cook the food. They want to be like a chef. So what Urvi wants to do? Urvi wants to become a chef so that she can help mummy with baking, with cooking food. Cookery shows means when you cook food, the activity of cooking food. In that kind of shows she wants to participate and she wants to become a chef. Oh yes, think of all the delicious cakes and goodies you will get to eat all the time, said Nemi excitedly. So students, when Nemi got to know that Urvi wants to become a chef, Nemi got very excited that my friend Urvi wants to become a chef. She will get all the time cakes and goodies to eat. But chefs see good food all the time. I don't want to eat cake all the time. Urvi sat, making a face. Now Urvi is telling to Nemi that Nemi, I want to become a chef, but I don't want to eat cake all the time. She has the passion, she has the zeal to make the food for everyone, to give the food all the time. But Urvi don't want to eat cake all the time. What about you? Nemi asked Putul. Nemi asked Putul. Now students, the third one. Nemi is asking to Putul that what about you? What do you want to become? She was busy bandaging her doll's foot with a strip of cloth. So Putul was busy in bandaging her doll's foot with a strip of cloth. Bandaging means to cover the injured part with a strip of cloth. Students, when you get hurt, that time your elders, your guardians, your parents are doing bandaging, that they put a strip of cloth on the wounded. So in the same way, Putul was busy in bandaging her doll's foot. Thought Putul, I want to be a doctor. So now Putul replied that I want to be a doctor. I will look after people when they are sick and make them well again. Now Putul is explaining that I want to be a doctor. I want to become a doctor because I want to look after people. I want to take care of the people when they are sick, when they are ill, so that they can get healthy again. Putul's favorite toy was her doctor set. It had a plastic stethoscope, a plastic thermometer, 2 small syringes and toy bottles of medicines as well as a box of pills. So when Putul said that she wants to be a doctor, now she is telling that how she is acting like a doctor, how she is playing. So Putul's favorite toy was her doctor set because she wants to become a doctor. And in her doctor set, students, there were some things, there were some objects like stethoscope was there, thermometer was there, 2 small syringes were there, 2 bottles of medicines were there, and a box of pills was there. So stethoscope, have you seen? Stethoscope is an instrument used by the doctor to listen to the chest. Okay, just see this picture. This is the stethoscope, students, where this one in the center, in the middle, this is a stethoscope. This the doctors wear around the neck. You might have seen to the doctors also. They are wearing around the neck when you visit to the hospital and when you met the doctor. They use this instrument, that stethoscope, to listen to your chest. A plastic thermometer. Students, thermometer is used to measure the temperature. You might have seen at your homes also. Mama, your father, they are having the thermometers. They are keeping it in the first aid box. Syringes are injections. Putul loved to play with her doctor set. So Putul wants to become a doctor. That's why she wants to love to play with her doctor set. Often, Nemi and Urvi would be her patients and she would pretend to take their temperatures and tell them which medicines to take. So now how they were playing, students? Putul used to play with her doctor set, but how? What she was doing? Her patients were Nemi and Urvi. Nemi and Urvi, they were becoming the patients of Putul. And what Putul was doing? She was acting like a doctor. She was pretending. Pretend means acting. She was acting like a doctor. She used to measure their temperatures and she was telling them that you have to take this medicine, that medicine. She was instructing them that how you have to take care of yourself. Move on to the next page. While the 3 friends were talking, Putul's mother had come into the room and was listening to them. She smiled at that time kindly. So when the 3 best friends, Nemi, Urvi and Putul, they were talking, Putul's mother entered into the room. She was listening to them, what they were talking, what they were discussing, and she started smiling. You first need to do well in class, children. You can think of what you want to be when you are older. Now you must only study hard and do your sums daily. Come on, would you like to sum? Who would like some juice? She asked. So now Mama is explaining to them. She is telling them that you have to be very much hardworking. You have to work hard, study hard, so that you can give the good performance in the class. That they have to do well in the class. They can think of what they want to become later also, because now they are small kids. Firstly they have to give the good performance in the class. After that only they can think what are their aims, what are their wishes. After that, mother was offering the juice to them. 3 eager hands shot up. So after listening to the juice, 3 eager hands shot up. Eager means wanting to do something, that they want the juice. So they raised their hands. Laughing, the 3 children left their games and followed Putul's mother to the kitchen to have glasses of juice and cookies. The future was still far away and juice was never to be refused. So they started laughing, students, because now they want to have juice. They left their games also. They followed to Putul's mother to the kitchen. They had the glass of juice and they had cookies to eat. And they thought that future is still far away. It means that when they will grow up, that time they will think that what they want to become. But juice, they can't refuse it. They want to have it now. So this was your chapter, Growing Up, students. Listen to the video 2-3 times, then it will be clear to you. For any doubt, you can call me in the evening. Bye-bye. Thank you.